Imagine this: a city ablaze, a symphony of flames dancing against the iconic Los Angeles skyline. But how does a fire of such magnitude even begin? What caused the fires? Los Angeles County Sheriff Robert Luna said detectives are continuing to investigate the possible causes. Everything is absolutely on the table, he said. Lightning, the most common source of fires in the U.S., has been ruled out as a cause for the Palisades and Eaton fires. Nor has there been any official indication so far that arson or utility lines, the next two biggest culprits in sparking fires, caused any of the conflagrations. California's very wet years of 2022 to 2023 brought about a huge growth of vegetation, which dried out in the drought of last year, creating abundant kindling. A combination of an exceptionally dry period, downtown Los Angeles has only received 0.16 inches, zero point 0.4 centimeters of rain since October, and powerful offshore gusts known as the Santa Ana winds have also created ripe conditions for wildfires. BBC weather forecaster Sarah Keith Lucas says there is no rain forecast in the area for at least the next week. Although winds were expected to ease slightly later Friday into Saturday, forecasters warned that they would pick up again on Sunday into Monday. But one thing is certain: the power of nature, when unleashed, can be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis of this and other captivating stories.